Okay, in this lecture we are talking about the general layout of a Solidity file. And I'm here again in Remix, as you can see, and I will start doing all of this and the next lectures in this file, example 4. So let's talk about the file name first. Solidity files end with the extension .sol, and in Solidity the first line that you usually write is the pragma line, and the pragma line is here in order to give the compiler an understanding of the version number the file was meant for. And the pragma line starts with the keyword pragma, and then you would write Solidity, obviously, Solidity, and then there's a caret, and then the version number, for example, 0421. And the pragma line comes from the semantic versioning of the NPM, so it's following the exactly same thing as semantic versioning with the Node package manager. Let me get this here. So you can find this on docs.npmjs.com/misc-semver, semantic versioner. And this is meant for telling Solidity basically, yes, it was meant for 0421, but not below, and not more than 0. It doesn't work with 0.5, and this comes from this semantic versioning. Caret ranges, so for example, caret 1, 2, 3, and so on. And you have some examples here. Caret 1, 2, 3 would mean bigger or equal than 1, 2, 3, but must be smaller than version 2. And this would be our Solidity version. Caret 0.2.3 means bigger or equal than 0.2.3, but smaller than 0.3. So it's always going to this to the next major version that is meant here. Okay, that was this lecture, and in the next one we are talking a little bit more about the intrinsics of Solidity.